Nagasaki Noisy Boys. Them the Atomic Annihilator. The 1J. Oh, dude. It doesn't run.
M series is better than JZ series.
What was that, you little bitch?
What's up, y'all? So today we're gonna make a good amount of progress on the E36. So right now, got the head gasket on. Got our block surface kind of cleaned up for the most part. Oh, someone's dog. Okay, so like I was saying, we got our head gasket on. Right now we're gonna try and get the engine to top dead center so we don't have to worry about it later on. Our cams in our head are already set at top dead center. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can spin over. All right, so we got it timed up. So I'm gonna see if I can try and show y'all. But if you're ever trying to retime a M50 engine, and I think this goes for most BMW engines, right here, you see this little pointer? Let's zoom in. See that pointer? If you go down and look on your crankshaft, on your crank pulley, you should see this thing right here. That line should be in line with this little hash mark. So realistically, probably a little bit. So we are at top dead center, plus or minus, like, you know, cunt's hair or something.
What are you doing?
Girl, what's up? So we just got done putting the engine at top dead center. Head gasket is kind of lined up on there. We're gonna have to do a little bit of tomfoolery to get it lined up perfect, but it's gonna be a lot easier than the first time. So that being said, I think we just gotta clean off the bottom of the head and we should be good to go. So, bam.
Don't smoke these. They suck.
Chop.
No.
So for whatever reason, whenever Rudy's at my house, somehow, some way, some or all of his cigarettes break in half. Like, I can't explain it. Like, every single fucking time.
He breaks my fucking cigarettes.
I don't break it. The universe breaks it. You know it's true.
That's true.
So.
But all those times you keep chopping my cigarettes.
Yeah. Say no to Cancer 6. Except Black and Milds.
Don't smoke darts.
Cue Shannon Sharp now.
You smoke cigars?
You're calling Black and Mild cigars?
I be on
now?
the miles. I be on the miles with that yank hard yesterday, Skip.
Shannon, this is very off-brand.
All right. So, big update. We got the head on. So, a really, really big thing about these, working on these 6-cylinder BMWs is the literal head. It is absolutely ridiculously heavy. You're pretty much not gonna be able to do it yourself by yourself. Try to pop the head on by yourself unless you have like a hoist or a crane or something. And if you have a buddy, it's still gonna be really difficult. So next time, if I ever have to do this again, God forbid, definitely going to take off the exhaust manifolds, because Rudy will agree that'll make things a lot easier.
Fuck you.
What was it? So hopefully everything else is pretty much good. Right now I'm just running down the bolts so we can go ahead and go through our torquing sequence. If you're interested in the importance of that, just check out one of the previous videos. I'm not going to go over again, or at this point, about torque sequencing and torque specs and why you should follow them. That being said, BMW is pretty special. They have a 3-step head torque sequencing process where you go to a certain value, and then you go 90 degrees, and then you go another 90 degrees. And that's because these bolts are torque to yield. So basically, they're at the point right before they start going into plastic deformation, and after that point, I think they're already in like some kind of at the edge of the elastic and plastic deformation range. After that, if you go any higher, they will break. So that's the whole point of torque to yield. So
You mean torque to douchebag?
that wasn't fucking like why.
I'm just mad. That bitch is heavy.
Yeah, I told them.
I'm gonna spout some bullshit because that thing is fucking like whoever sold my engine hoist can go die. Cause
Yeah, because that would make this thing a whole lot easier. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go out and say, like, if you're doing a head gasket on a M50, S50, M52, S52, M54, whatever, you're going to want a fucking engine hoist. Is it required? No, because clearly we've done it without it. But you are going to like love yourself if you do not.
So you're gonna have really strong sides and really strong arms after you get done with this.
Yeah, like I said, you're gonna get your workout in for the day. I know I have.
Or eat it phone.
Yeah.
So, I don't care.
But yeah, so that's probably one of the harder parts. Torque sequencing, and after that, after we get done with that, we can go ahead and put on our cam gears. Double check that our cams are properly phased, which they are. But just go ahead and double check just to be safe. Then we put our timing chains on, and then we should be good to go as far as mechanically for the long block itself. And then we can move on to our intake, putting on our intake. What else? Hooking up all the different sensors, and we're gonna figure something out with our cooling fan our cooling system.
I got one thing to ask. Since this is like the second time I've helped you done this, I want to beat the shit out of this motherfucker.
They're gonna beat the shit out of the Miata, because I helped you pull the shit out of the Miata before.
That doesn't compare to this.
Right. This is 2.5 liters of German dominant.
Nagasaki noisy boys. Them the atomic annihilator. The 1J. Oh dude. It doesn't run.
M series is better than JZ series.
What was that, you little bitch?
Where'd he go? I don't think he heard us. All right, so there we got it. We got it torqued down. It's a pain in the ass, but we got a lot of work done. So, whew, I'm tired. I'm about to go get some water. Need it. All right, guys, so may have been a little bit of a jump from here to before, but everything's hooked up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and try and prime it, get some oil going through it. We got everything timed up, everything connected. Let's go to the bare bones interior. And that's about as much as I'm able to do, because I still gotta use that battery for the Integra. Straight up scumbag shit.
I do know how to work it. And I have beer, and DJ doesn't.
So, why'd you turn it off?
I didn't turn your fucking thing off. The light turned off itself.
Oh, that's lame.
I don't know how to turn it back on. Oh,
Okay.
well, there we go.
So, we got everything together.
This fucking head is heavy.
The ECU, we got the ECU in. Tried to prime it a little bit. The battery was starting to try and die out, but we should still be able to see it start.
Oh God, I'm not ready for this. This is gonna be loud. Open headers, you noob.
Got a gas can?
I think so, but not big enough.
I mean, all we need is...
Yeah, I say let's go try to get gas. Also, I can pick up snacks.
478-956-5000 or SuttonChevrolet.com. 19 Spark, $49.99 down, $169 per month for 75 months at 3.99 APR. With approved.
This nigga has a normal car.
Revised a few times before it.
It's like the weirdest shit ever.
Take Motel 6.
Like, you have a completely, like, regular car.
At a great price.
Yeah, it's kind of fucking with me,
the
bro.
impression they want you to leave with.
Don't you like the comfort?
Don't get that impression.
I'm Tom
it's
Bodett,
new
and
to
we'll
me.
leave the light on for you.
I'm not used to having a car like 125,000
Are you
miles
looking
on
for
it.
senior care for
AC,
your mom or dad, but don't
and
know
it's
where to
somewhat
start?
reliable.
Hi, I'm Joe
Now
Wonder
you
with
know
the place
why I
for
bought the
mom.
Mustang.
Nobody knows your
Outside
parent or loved
V8.
one better than
Exxon and
Put
mobile
gas
present
in this thing,
Holiday
too.
Soup Premium. First, fill
It's
your
got
tank
fucking
with Exxon and
ratchet ass fucking shit in it.
New 73 Plus. To keep your engine 2 times cleaner for better gas mileage. Then get the rest of your car 2 times cleaner.
Check that. Alright, so we're gonna see if we can get this thing to go.
How much gas does it has in there? Oh, look, it's got gas now.
Yep, fuel pump sounding better. So let's see if we can get it to kick over.
Oh! Oh! Oh, Jotaro!
See if we can get it to go again. Shit. May need a jump. So yeah, right now we are out of battery. We tried to start. It looks like we just need a little stronger battery to kind of get us going. So it's a large engine, it's a tiny little Honda battery. Doesn't want to cut it, so we'll just keep it in the Honda for now. All right, so now we're gonna jump from Rudy's reliable Mazda. We good? All right, let's see what it does.
Money bags, money bags.